Right, now we're going to upcycle a broken clock. So, to do that, you need to take apart your clock without your kids first, because it could be dangerous. These parts can break, like mine. Mine has already broken when I wanted to take this glass out. But you have to take the glass out first, and then this one. 1 second, Sarah. Yes, come. You can just pull it off, and then you place it here so it's safe. Pull the rest off. Sarah, let me do it, please. There. This one belongs to the back, is attached in here. So the same thing, you will have your screwdriver and you have to pop this out. I already did, so it should come out easily, but if not, but yeah, it's out. So this is your clock base, and you put this one here as well. And then we don't need this part anymore. If your picture, what you're going to use, is small enough that is fit on the top of the clock circle, you can take this one out too and use it. But mine, leave Sarah, mine is too big, as you can see, it's covered up. So I need, I need another solution. That's why we have the cards in here. So after I take the clock apart, I also cut my standard picture. It could be any other picture you wanted to. And then I traced this paper, this clock paper, on another paper, but I didn't have big enough cardboard, so I made up this colored paper sheet instead. They stick papers together, and I made it bigger because my dory is bigger than this white. Before you stick this picture down, you need to make a hole in the middle so you can place this clock element in this hole when you fix all the things, and make sure you leave a hole in here as well in the middle. So now I'm going to stick this dory on, and I think I'm going to separate these numbers and going to stick them all around here, or maybe I hand draw them. Let's see. So I decided to cut the paper out, the numbers, and I'm going to stick them here, but I'm going to make them pop a little bit with these stickers, because the clockwork won't reach that far, so it won't make a problem with the clock working mechanism. Yet it would look better. So let's see. So this is how it looks now. And now I'm going to insert this clockwork, if I can manage with one hand. Come and see. There. Then we need to put the arrows. First, we need to put the small I think that way. Then you need to put the long one, and then you close it up with the tiny You know what it is. I can't remember now in English, sorry. So with this one, and then your clock should work as once you change the battery. So let's see if I can actually wind it with my hand. So it's going with my hand, so that means it's perfect. Right, I can see it's twisting around, so I need to glue this paper to the clockwork before I can start using it. But other than that, just need a battery and ready to go. And here you go, here you have it. It's 6 o'clock now and it's working. Yay! I hope you like this video and please come back next time. Share and subscribe and like. Thank you.